Yeah, I was driving the old Argo Bigfoot down that backwoods trail, man. I saw this beer sign. It was just an old wood sign duct taped onto a tree. It said beer. I had to go that way. I just did it. And I'll tell you what, I found this crazy little backwoods bar, man, and I met these women. There was three of them. They were, three friends or sisters. I don't know. They weren't that good looking. I'll tell you, they were probably like there are threes, each one of them. You know, put them together, that was a nine, and that'd be damn better than I'd ever done. Tell you that. So, anyways, they were asking what I was driving. I said, "It's a dang old Argo, man." So they said, "Hell yeah, let's go jump in that baby." Yeah, we got in there. These chicks went crazy, man. I was just hanging on for dear life. I was hanging out the back. I was dragging along. These chicks was crazy. They were drinking that Hams. They were drinking, Northeast, whatever the hell they had. It was spraying all over the place, and my God, they were just going crazy. They were beating this thing all to hell. They had all kinds of doodads on their pants too. They had like some rhinestones and some chains and fishing lures and whatever. They ripped up my damn seats. Yeah, so that's right there. That's what I'm gonna fix. A couple ribs back there too, but I got this leather patch. I'm gonna use that. Yeah, I'll tell you what. I woke up. I didn't know if I'd gotten lucky or what, but I was sore all over the place, and so I pulled the pins. I pulled the drain pins on there, and I tell you, about 80 ounces of Northeast probably drained out the bottom. But yeah, I'm gonna get her fixed.